Shifting gears now from banks to car makers, Toyota joining rival Honda and raising its earnings forecast. Toyota narrows its full-year net loss forecast. The government stimulus measures boosting demand in Toyota's biggest markets. Toyota Motor shares 1.5% lower at the close of trade ahead of the results. Now, those that reported dismal earnings, such as Yamaha and Suzuki Motor, dropped. Yamaha Motor fell the most in 8 months, while Suzuki fell the most in more than 3 months. As for the broader markets, Asian stocks fluctuated today, with commodity producers climbing on those higher oil and metal prices. Rio Tinto and rival BHP both rose more than 2% in Sydney. Staying with BHP for a moment, a changing of the guards at the world's biggest miner. BHP names Jacques Nasser as chairman, the former Ford CEO, replacing Don Argus early next year. The decision follows an 18-month selection process. And staying in Australia, ANZ Banking Group shares rallied to the highest since June 2008. Its CEO Mike Smith saying it is prepared to take on HSBC after the lender's purchase of the Asian assets from RBS Group. ANZ is paying over $500 million for the RBS businesses in Singapore, Taiwan, Indonesia, and here in Hong Kong. Shares of rival HSBC rallied over 7% here in Hong Kong. Europe's biggest bank by market value reported a surprise profit in its first half. HSBC's chairman Stephen Green telling us exclusively the bank's U.S. business is going better than expected.